हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ACL से जुड़े विभिन्न वीडियोस की श्रृंखला में आज हमारे साथ एक शख्स है जिसका नाम है गौरव। आइए इसकी एक हिस्ट्री जानते हैं, इसको कैसे ये ACL की चोट लगी और इसका कैसे कैसे इलाज हुआ। गौरव, हाउ डिड यू हैव दिस इंजरी एंड व्हाट डिड यू डू टू गेट ट्रीटेड फॉर दिस इंजरी?
So I was coming back from the gym when I had this injury. I was on scooty, and suddenly there was a biker who came from the side, and he crashed into the scooty, and I fell. And it wasn't a very major accident. I didn't have any scars or anything else. But as soon as I got up and tried to walk, my knee started buckling,
Okay.
and that is when I got very scared.
So what did you do once you got up from the injury site?
So once I got up, there were people who were trying to tell me ki just try to stretch it out. Sometimes it happens because of trauma. So I tried stretching it out, but it was not a good idea. I should have left it, and I should have gone to a doctor,
Okay.
which is what I did after that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after how many days of your injury you consulted an orthopedic surgeon?
Okay, I did not immediately go for the MRI or any imaging, which was why I did not go to any orthopedic surgeon. I firstly went for physiotherapy for 10 days. I did not get much results from physiotherapy, and that is when I decided to get the MRI done.
So you got a surgery for ACL reconstruction, है ना? So what was your experience regarding the whole procedure of ACL reconstruction from admission to discharge, and you have been 20 days since your surgery. So what is your experience?
So obviously I was very scared because ACL this was my first surgery ever, and nobody likes people poking around inside you. But surprisingly it was very pain free, and the anesthesia given was very effective. I had a little bit of pain for the first 2 days, but as soon as I got through those 2 days, pain immediately went off.
Okay.
And
So you recommend people that they should not be scared of the surgery, and they should get the proper treatment at the earliest. Do you recommend that?
certainly, most certainly, they should get the best treatment as soon as possible.
So दोस्तों, आपने देखा कि ACL के जितने भी हमारे पास पेशेंट्स होते हैं, मैं सबसे ये रिकमेंड करता हूँ कि जिस दिन आपको चोट लगे आप इमीडिएटली अपने डॉक्टर को दिखाइए, और फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट और इन सब की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है, बट एक बार कंसल्टेशन ज़रूरी है ताकि अपना जो भी डायग्नोसिस है वो पहले पूरा क्लियर हो जाए। और गौरव के फादर जो हैं, मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि कारगिल हीरो हैं, कारगिल से उन्होंने वॉर लड़ी है, तो आइए उनका भी एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं कि हाउ इज ही एक्सपीरियंसिंग दिस हिज सन्स सर्जरी।
I am being from army background. I have fought a Kargil war, and certainly the impact of my profession is on my son. It is visibly and apparently it is seen in him, and he is able to go through all the surgery and all, and he is courageous and bold boy, and he is taking on the thing, and he is very confident that he will do well after surgery, and he is improving very rapidly.
Good, very good. So Gaurav, you are satisfied with our treatment, the way we have treated you, the way we have counseled you, the way you were scared before surgery, and now your apprehension has gone to absolutely like zero. So what do you say?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, when I came to you, I did some online research about Ginni Hospital, and I got to know that it's one of the best places in Jaipur to get the surgery done.
Yes.
And I wasn't really sure whether I'll get the surgery from you only because I did not know about anything.
Yes.
But the way you explained everything, the way you handled it, it was truly professional on your part.
So thank you so much, Gaurav, and I wish a speedy recovery for you and your knee.